Awesome. Started.
That was awesome. So that was the CX500 turning on for the first time in my possession. It wasn't starting. It was cranking and cranking and cranking, as you saw earlier, previous video, and I did just a couple things to try to get it to start. Had a hard time. Kept cranking and cranking and cranking. I put new gas in it. Put a new fuel line hose in it. Um, I charged the battery. I replaced the fuses for the main fuse because the button wasn't working on the throttle. So excited. The last thing I did was I got new spark plugs. I took out the spark plug, and they were just black, as you can see here. I mean, I'm not an expert. I'm not an expert in what spark plugs should look like, but they're very black. Got new ones in today. I mean, a few days ago, I gapped them today. I didn't have the right size socket, so I went down to Walmart, bought a new socket that'll fit the spark plug, replaced it, and I even ordered a new choke cable because this bike doesn't have a choke cable that you might have seen in my other video. And I didn't need that. I put in the new spark plug, pushed the button, man, it turned on. It turned on. So as you saw, as you heard, it revs real high. So something is obviously wrong set up in the carburetors, things like that. Um, Super exciting. So now that it starts, I know it starts. I'm gonna tear it apart and hopefully start buying parts to turn it into the cafe racer that I want it to be. So I'm super excited that it started. I'm not worried anymore that something really bad is wrong with the motor. I mean, I'm sure maybe something still could be, but it starts. So that's the CX500. Super excited to start working on it, converting it. I'm still, if you've been watching any other videos, I'm still working on the XV920. It won't start. I'm still having trouble with the starter, so it's not turning over as it should. The starter spins. So I'm waiting on a voltage stabilizer to come in for that guy, and then hopefully that fixes the starter issues. But once I get that bike start, once I get the XV920 started, same thing. Start shipping it, turn it into a cafe. But for now, super excited about this CX. So thanks for watching. Sorry for late updates, but man, uh, hopefully we get this guy going super duper soon in the next few months. Thanks again for watching.